Hey everybody, welcome to a quick tip Tuesday. I'm really busy this week working on a bunch of different projects, but I wanted to come on and do a quick video to show you how to work with my yoga pants pattern. My Easy Fit and Sew yoga pants pattern is a one-piece leg, and you can see here, this is what the pattern looks like. And I taught this past weekend a class at Stitches Expo, and the name of the class was Yoga Pants, Leggings, or Tights, Maker's Choice. And during this class, I showed my students how to adjust this pattern to make leggings, to make tights, and to make a fuller leg pant. So you can see here, I made some wider leg red velvet pants, and I really liked the way they came out. But looking at them, I thought if there was a little bit more fullness, I think they would have hung a little bit nicer. So I played with my pattern, and I actually created a hem that was over 30 inches long or around. And I came up with a really cool pair of Palazzo pants. So before I show you those, let me show you the pattern and let me show you how to make this really easy adjustment. And the cool thing about this adjustment is you don't need to worry about changing the shape of your inseams to get this look. So you're going to draw a vertical line approximately where the side seam would be. And really, if you shoot for practically, the center of the leg at the bottom, approximately, that's going to be close enough. And what you're going to do is you're going to slash and spread. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to slash and spread the pattern like this, making a hinge up at the top. And then you're going to spread the hem. And literally, I spread it over 15 inches to get a wide opening in my hem. So I'm just going to cut off this extra fabric. I'm just going to cut off this extra paper right here to use it as a filler. So basically, after you spread it, then what you're going to do is you're going to tape it down. Now, working with a large scale pattern and making a long spread like this, sometimes it's hard to manage. So what I like to do is weight down the top. So I'll literally put, a pattern weight at the top of my pattern to get everything to lay flat and smooth, and then put another pattern weight at the hem, and that will allow you to hold the paper smoothly while you're taping. So I'm just going to tape these down. Okay, like this. And then you're just going to smooth out the hem, and basically I'm just going to dash in the shape here. It's going to have a slight curve to it, and there is your wide leg palazzo pant pattern. Now, this is so easy to do, and I'm dying to show you. Look how cool these gray, this is a gray cotton jersey. It's too cool to wear. It's too cold to wear them right now, but I cannot wait for spring to come. These are so comfortable, and they came out so cool, and it was just this one easy adjustment to the Easy Fit and Sew yoga pants pattern. Now, the other thing is, if you wanted to make a tight legging like this, you would do the adjustment in reverse. So I'm just going to quickly show you that as well. Basically, same thing. You're going to cut the pattern up the middle, and then you're going to overlap it. The legging, you need to first decide what your hem width is going to be, or the length of it. And let's say I want an 8-inch hem. That's a pretty good measurement for a close-fitting legging. So measure whatever your original hem is, and it changes depending on the size. And then you're going to split that amount in half. So let's say you needed to get rid of 6 inches to make this hem measure 8 inches. You're going to measure and mark from the center slash. We're going to get rid of 3 inches in the center, and then we're going to get rid of 1.5 inches on either side. So I'm going to pretend, I'm going to use eighths as my scale here. So here is 1.5 inches. And basically, if I just draw this up like this, and draw this like this, now I can cut one of these. Oh, let me get rid of this extra paper here. Okay, I can cut one out. So I'm getting rid of one of the wedges like this. Then I'm going to just tape it to the other one, the other side of the wedge. Okay, but then you need to also get rid of the other 3 inches. So I'm going to do that on the inseam. So I'm just going to do it here and do it here. And I'm just going to dash in my shape. So basically I just want to do something like that. And connect it up at the upper thigh like that. And I'm going to cut that off. So see, something like this. Notice I didn't cut anything off at the upper thigh and crotch area. I just took it in through the leg to create a legging shape. So with this one-piece pattern, you could make so many different looks. And I was so excited with the way my Palazzo pants came out. I just wanted to take a few minutes and share that with you. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please post those below and I will help you. Remember, this week, FabFit Friday is going to be at 2:30 on Thursday afternoon because I'm teaching all day in an in-person class on Friday, and I don't want to skip it because I really want to show you my new cut-on fly with a zipper shield technique. And I'm super excited about it. I actually changed it a little bit since I reviewed it with you at FabFit Friday last week. I figured out how to make it all one piece without having a separate zipper shield. So super excited about that. So join me on Thursday at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time for FabFit Friday on Thursday. So thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.